Okay, boys and girls, we've talked before about having a really good opening for your writing and how much it helps. So we've been working on an opinion writing this week, which is your favorite season. And let's take a look at some ways that we can make a really good opening for that, because that's your job today. So why do we need a good opening? First of all, it sets a tone for the reading. It puts the reader in the kind of mood that you want them in. Secondly, it makes the reader want to read. If you pick up a book and it has a really boring opening, most likely you're going to put the book back. It introduces the topic and it gives your opinion. Those are all the things you want to do with your good opening. So let's take a look at some. My opening right now says, I like winter best, right? Well, how can I make that a little bit better? Here's some good ways to do that. One good way to do that is to say your opinion and give a description that makes the writer feel what you feel during that particular thing. Another way is to ask a question. We can give an interesting fact. We can start with a sound effect or a dialogue. Let's take a look at how each of those should look. We can revise our opening using a description. So for example, that might say, cold snow on my fingertips and a warm fire waiting inside my house make winter feel like a magical time of the year. Do you see how I set it, the scene here? And then I gave my opinion about winter, and I said that it's magical. I could start off with a question, isn't winter the best time of the year? I find that those can be a little bit boring or overused. An interesting fact, I might start with something like, only 7% of people agree with me that winter is the best season. Or I might use a sound effect. Brr, I say as my teeth chatter all winter long. The important thing about this sentence would be that I need my next sentence to say that even though this happens, I love winter and it's the best season, so that I can still state my opinion and say why. So I personally prefer that description best. So you now are going to write your own openings, pick the one you like best, and then I want you to go into your Google Doc, erase the first sentence, and replace it with the best opening you can write. When you're done with that, reshare it with me so that I can read the excellent opening you have. Talk to you soon.